So we have seen a bit about log analytics, some overview, and now I'm going to show you how you can start using it. To use start log analytics, you need an Azure account. So I'm going to create a new OMS workspace in a resource group that I've created previously. The resource group already has some machines that you are going to monitor later on, but they are not being monitored yet. They have just been provisioning. They have been created, but they are empty and they are not doing anything in particular. So now I'm going to add a new resource to the group. I will search for log analytics, and I will use log analytics, and we can see here the details of what this is going to be created. It's going to create a new workspace in OMS after we log on the button, create on the button. So let's create it. Let's give it a new name. So let's call it. Use the existing resource group, and we can see here that we can select a different pricing tier. So the pricing tier will affect what kind of features you can put into there. So for example, you can use the free one that has obviously data limitations. You can use a pricing per node, or you can use a per amount of data. So it's up to you to choose which pricing tier is the most suitable for your scenario. On the course, we explain a little more in detail about the different pricing details. So let's create a free one. Apparently, I cannot create this one because it already exists. Someone has already taken my name, so I'll have to choose another one. Okay, this one seems fine. Then I will accept the pricing tier. I will create it. And after a few seconds, my OMS workspace should be created. The deployment is succeeded. Let's go into it. And we can see here inside the Windows Azure portal that we have the details about our OMS workspace. So we can see here that we are using the free tier. We have a 300 megabyte daily limit, and the data is only collected for 7 days. So this is because I've chosen the free tier. So I could, for example, create a log search, do a search here inside the portal. You can see here that we have some suggestions of searches that can be made. I will just do a search in order to see if we have something. For example, doing a star is the easiest way to see if there is any data. Currently, there are no data because we just created the resource and we are not monitoring any machine. But for example, we could create a more structured query, for example, to see if we are collecting event logs. Sorry. The queries are case sensitive, so you have to be careful about it. And we can see here that there are no results. So we'll close this window. And for example, if you want to go to the OMS portal, we just need to click it here, and you will be redirected to the portal without having to create an authentication or such, because you are using the same credentials. So this is how you create a resource and then an OMS workspace. So you can either use it from Azure to do log searches, or you can use it on the portal itself to perform more operations.